Listen to this silence in this woods.
What?
Hmm? What? You can hear the birds chirping. Is it? Fastest way? Which way?
It would take us a short. It would be a shortcut and back home.
That way. But that's going uphill.
Yeah, yeah.
All right.
Oh, we have to go a long way.
No, no. Let's go this way then.
Yeah, a cut through the hill.
Yes!
Yes. Yeah, I know. You need to go eat. Good to go eat. Ooh. There you go.
What is this?
This is let's not touch it. It's got horns. It's got it's gonna hurt. It's gonna prick the hands. So let's not touch it.
Okay.
Do you want me to? Oh. Yes, we have seen. You know what though, babe? When I'm hungry, when I'm feeling so hungry, I feel like I could eat anything.
Yeah.
And as much, like a lot as well. But and then I do, when I put my food on the table when I'm not hungry, I put a lot, you know, because I feel like I have too much appetite. And then I end up eating little, and most of it is left. And I do that every single time. It's just like that, you're hyper. Eh? I know, I take ages to eat my food. Yeah, you eat fast. Oh my gosh. If me and you do eating competition, I know I'll lose every single time. To be honest, I'll lose every single time with anyone if I ever do an eating competition to see who's gonna finish the food faster.
Stairs?
Every single time I lose. I can't eat too fast, I don't know why. Or fast at all. We're climbing. This is a hill, isn't it?
It's a rock.
Yeah, it's a rock. You got a rock.
Wood. Yay!
Wait, you're in the woods, walking in the woods. Yay!
In the wood.
Yeah. Look at this.
Come on, honey.
Yes.
Daddy's so starving. Come on.
Ouch! Let's go. Walking. This nature walk. And then when you feel full, because you end up eating loads, right? No, don't touch this.
Come on,
Baby.
dear.
You feel so full, so sleepy afterwards.
Yeah.
And then just feel like bloated, you know. Let's go. Ooh.
Things were
A little
harder
bit of
back in the
breeze.
day. I think swimming, all of us we had to go swimming together for like
Yeah.
less than 20 pounds.
Yeah, I think so, yeah. Let's go.
Hey, come here. No. Inside. Come back inside, baby. Come on. Let's get up here first.
Stairs up there.
So many stairs, yeah. We're going up the hill. Up the hill. Still have another path. We're almost there.
Alright.
Slowly. Oop. Slowly. Okay.
Let me meatballs.
Meatballs. I mean, if we bought meatballs, then no one has ate them. Are they chicken?
You only try the chicken one.
Oh, they don't like.
And the middle.
They don't like chicken meatballs. No one eats them.
You got noodles as well.
Yeah. Well, I hope she'll eat that. But we need sausages. You like sausage? Not the hot dogs.
There's none left.
None. Hot dogs. Even the yogurts are finished.
You know what?
Yogurts
Alright.
and pizza. Mhm.
Winnie, come on, baby. But I know she's gonna ask for.
I know. Every time.
candy, though.
Maybe if we stay in a car and you go in, or me, I go in, you know.
Huh?
Because this walk, I think, has made her a little tired. A little bit tired.
Yeah.
So, it's like exercise for her. That's good. So, we just go in and out.
Yeah.
That's done. Ooh. Where are we? Look here.
Fine.
Yay. Hello. You're getting tired now with this exercise. It's a bit warm. You breathe. Oh, look where we are. Look where we've arrived to. We are here in a savannah, in a forest. This is what you call the forest. The animals. Look, she thinks this is the forest. So asking, where are the animals? A forest is supposed to have animals, but we don't see any animals. What? What is this? It's a mystery, isn't it? No animals in the forest. Wow. Wow. Bless you. Oh, bless you, Papi. Yeah. Baby, baby.
Come on, let's go.
We're going, my love. Yes, let's go.
Let's go.
We're going. Look at this field. It looks like rice. Rice field. But it's not rice. Imagine if all this was rice. That'd be a lot of rice. It does look like rice, doesn't it? See this? This looks like rice. Baby, this is what rice looks like when it's planted. Mm.
Only half of this, even this part of the land here got replaced with crop.
Yeah, you know what I mean? All these could be crops. Could be have one part rice field,
Well, they're not going to do that.
another part. But then rice can't grow in the weather like this. But I don't think rice can grow
Yeah, not here.
without a lot of sun. Yeah.
You need greenhouses too.
Greenhouses, are they not expensive
Huh? Yeah. What?
to run? Greenhouses. Yeah, those have to be like big ones.
That's how we get.
Big greenhouses.
How we get luxury.
Do they use electricity?
Huh?
Greenhouses. Do they use electricity?
It's the house that's green. Glass.
Where?
The glass greenhouse.
So no electricity
No, it's to.
to heat it up.
Yeah, it's just I'm not an expert. Of
Yeah.
course,
I don't know.
but it's just to put the right conditions into the crops that grow, or plants or whatever.
Yeah.
That's how.
Yeah. Working. These are the kind of things you come across in a field. Oh well. Oh dee. Wow. This place. Look, it looks like this is it. There's no way going. Look at that place. Oh my gosh. There's a little path here. I didn't see it before. Oh dear. A little path. Good job. Because. Oh dear. Oh dear. Hello, Daddy. Hello, Dada. We're coming. We're coming. Oh.
Dad,
Don't worry. We're coming.
Dad,
Yes.
Daddy. Where's Daddy?
There.
Daddy.
Daddy.
Mom, a butterfly.
Butterflies. Oh,
Wow, so many butterflies.
I see. Another field.
Mom, it's a
Wow.
butterfly.
Wow. Second field.
It's
Because it's okay. It's okay. Another field. Wow.
Mom, a butterfly.
A butterfly. Whoa.
Bye-bye, butterfly.
Bye bye, butterfly.
Mom, Dad. Mom.
Yeah. Oh, look, it's a pigeon. It's flying away.
It's a butterfly.
A butterfly. But I think she's feeling tired now.
Tired.
All that walking, she wants to be picked up. Oh, you wanna be picked up, Papa? Okay.
No.
I don't want to go to the forest.
We are in a forest. Look. This is a forest.
Lee, do you want
You wanna go through? Oh, she wanna go through.
ice? Are you hungry?
Yeah.
No.
Are you hungry for ice cream? Do you want ice cream?
No.
Do you want M&M?
No.
Do you want banana?
No.
The answer is gonna be no to everything. Veggies. Yeah. Hello, baby. Oh, here we are.
Let me just get to the car.
Yes. Oh, so making you diet when you're not planning on
Diet?
when you're not planning on dieting. Not like me.
No.
I've been on this diet now for 2-3 weeks. I don't know if it's working. I'm scared to weigh myself, to go on a scale and see how much I weigh. I'm scared. Bobby! What did you found it?
What is this?
It's a feather. Feather.
We go around. There's rubbish on the floor.
There's rubbish. Ooh. Yeah. Yes, baby. Hold my hand. Do you wanna hold my hand?
No.
You wanna take your coat off?
No.
No. It's the answer no to everything.
Mom.
Yes?
Yes.
Come, pick her up now, baby. She's tired of walking. This is a long walk for her. Yay! Oh, is that better now? Yeah? You're getting a little ride. Is this the last field now?
Yeah.
Okay. Phew. Oh dear.
You're
Hmm?
tired enough to want to get out.
Mm-hmm. That's why you have to let her walk. She does
I'm
exercise.
so hungry. Are you?
Because in the house, she just goes running up and down.
Yeah.
Running from one end to...
fresh air now.
Yeah. Fresh air. Morning walk.
Can you get that one?
Okay.
Alright.
Mm-mm.
Hurry up, please. Come on, I'm coming.
Dee, 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 dee. Baby. Oh, little baby.
Oh, little baby.
Hey, little baby. Are you a little baby?
Are you a little puppy?
Am I a little puppy? Yesterday she lost it. She lost her puppy doll. She lost her puppy doll because they threw it into the garden, the neighbor's garden. So they couldn't play with it. So she cried the whole time. And then the neighbor threw it back to us. But hours later though. Which was nice, very nice. That was very nice because we thought, oh man, that puppy, the little puppy, they were crying a lot. Hey, what do you see there? Look, what are those? Hello. She's finding it fascinating. Baba, look at so many crows and pigeons. Right, let's go now. Let's go, baby. Come, my love, let's go. Oh, oh, oh. B, B. Let's go. Oh, what do you see? Rocks. You see rocks? Baby. Okay.
This is got a rock on the river.
Mm-hmm. Oh dear. Right, come on, lovely, let's go. This way. Huh? You? Me? Oh yeah. Bye-bye, we're here. Baby, take it. Key. Kaki. Come, my love. Bye-bye. We're at the end of the journey. We're at the end of today's little walk. We finished the walk now. We're gonna go do something else. Thank you for watching. Bye.